under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you.
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true, you know that all I want.
Good evening, guys. I just want to say a super happy Vlogmas Day 24. Oh my gosh, it is ridiculous how fast Vlogmas went. I cannot believe that it's almost over. Wow, it is literally it's like 10 to 3 in the evening right now. I did not get time to vlog since this morning, and I'm sorry. I know I still have to upload those last 2 vlogs. I will. And today is actually the last day of Vlogmas for me, guys. I know it sucks. I am so happy because Christmas is finally there. It's finally around the corner, but so sad because Vlogmas is going to be over soon, and you know, I'll miss vlogs. I really do miss vlogging and doing Vlogmas for you guys because I don't really do vlogs on a daily basis. So this will always be a really great experience for me to tell you guys what I'm up to. I'm actually now leaving to go back home. I got up like 20 to 5 this morning and came my MH, and I'm now going. I just spent part of the day, so I'm now going to go home, spending Christmas home with mommy and daddy. But yeah, today it wasn't really much of doing anything per se, just like relaxing. A very chill day. This Christmas is actually a pretty chill one. I'm not jinxing, right? And I do want it to remain that way. I don't want it to be very hectic at all. Merry Christmas, guys. It is so amazing to finally get to tell you guys Merry Christmas. I truly enjoyed Vlogmas. I can't believe it's over and I have to say bye, and I love you guys so much. I wish you the best. I hope that you enjoy your day, have the best day ever. Enjoy your time with your friends and family. Remember, Christmas is about the love, the happiness, the joy, and everything good and positive that comes with Christmas. And have a great time. Please be safe and enjoy your time. So bye, guys, and sorry about the noise. Thank you guys so much for looking at my Vlogmas and being there to support me, and I love you guys. Bye, enjoy your day. Honey, where the I love to eat honey, where the I just want your